go to the coding of start button.
Coding at coding.
So go to the code of start button. The start button's code. Go over there.
So where?
Click on the start button from the sprite list. Click on the start button because I want you to go to the code of the start button.
Okay, sir.
Yes. No, 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 no. Not. I am not talking about clicking on the start button to enter values. I am
Okay.
just asking you to click on the sprite one. See, sprite one, sprite two is a yes. Now, just after this, when this sprite click is written, just add three things. Just add set first number to 0, set second number to 0, set answer to 0. Just after when this sprite click.
Okay, sir.
Then I'm telling you and how it will help you. No, 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 no. Don't take out those answers. I am asking you to add just after when this sprite clicked, in between when this sprite clicked and ask enter first number. In
Okay,
that,
sir. Okay, sir.
between that, add the first number, second number, answer set to 0.
Okay, sir.
Add these 3 lines.
Set first number to 0.
Yes.
Set second number to
To
0.
0. Yes. Set third number. Set answer to 0.
Set question to 0. Set question
Okay.
to 0.
Okay. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? When you will click on start from the very beginning, you could see that the operations before their values were stored in first number
Sir,
and
I
second
will
number,
enter
right?
any number. It changes to 0.
So as soon as you will click on start, you will get a fresh start. Everything will be 0 for you, and you will enter values and they will be taken into the first number, second number slots. But before this, what used to happen, whenever you had done one operation, one calculation, their values were still there when you are inputting number for the next operation, right?
Okay, sir.
So now when you will be clicking on start button, every number that was already stored over there for previous use will get deleted and you will get a fresh start. Totally fresh start will be there, okay?
Total fresh start.
Yes, because first number will not be storing anything, it will become 0. Second number will also not store the previous data, it will become 0. So everything, yeah, you will be
Yes.
getting a fresh start from the very beginning. Understood? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. But it's not showing, sir. See, I have put 50 and 90.
Click on start. See, it will go away.
63. Sir, still it is 59 and 63.
Please click on the set first number to 0, that command. Click on it. No, no, I want that list of variables that are there.
Oh, sir, there it is.
Okay, let me present you. Let me present this. I guess you can see my screen, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello.
There's a network issue. That's why I leave.
Okay, I guess everyone can see my screen. See my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, when let me make some variables first. Let's the first variable is a, second variable is b, third variable is sum. Okay. Now, let me take a button or something. Let me go to choose a sprite and paint. Okay, and let's change the color. Okay, now let's change this one's color. Oh, so I made the start. I'm keeping it over here. Okay. Now let's make a plus sign. Let me drag it. Okay, okay, okay. I'm keeping the start over here and the plus sign over here. And then I'm just fixing these things. Okay. So up to this part, you all know, everyone knows this part. Now, if I select the start button and let's start the coding of this. So when this sprite click, what will happen? Variable, I am asking set A to 0, set B to 0, and set sum also to 0. Now, what will it help you? When I will ask, let's say enter A, then let's set A to answer. Let's enter B. And here I will have to select B. Now this was the case which I was talking about. Now if I enter, say, this number inside A, this number inside B, and if I click on add, the addition will happen. But that you already know. Now what will happen if I don't include these three blocks? What will happen if I click on start? All this pre-stored data will be already there while I am entering for the first number. When I will enter, it will change. Otherwise, before entering also, it will be still the same thing. See, I have not entered any value for B right now, which I have entered previously. It's showing over here. So it's very confusing, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now when I will enter the number, then the previous data will change. What I don't want this. What I want, we will include these lines at the very beginning. So what will happen? Whichever number is there, it will automatically become 0, and we will get a fresh start just after clicking start. So as soon as we click start, we will start with a new calculation, new set of information, new set of numbers. See? So did you see everything has become 0?
Yes, sir.
So even if I enter some number, enter some number for first A and B, again if I click start, it will become 0. So 1, 2, 3, see, I am getting a fresh start every time, totally fresh start. So we can easily put our own numbers and it will be operating. Okay. Now, just as like plus, can we do one thing? Can we make all the 4 operators in a single project?
Sir, I
So
have sent you a video in that I have made all 3 operators in one that.
we can make all 4: plus, minus, subtraction, plus, minus, multiplication, and division. We can make all of them into a single project. How? By designing all 4 differently. Let's say I am taking minus and I'm increasing its size. I'm putting it over here. I am going to design the multiplication sign. Wait. Oh, I've taken it mistakenly. So we'll go to paint and we can design the multiplication sign just like this. And we can put it over here. We can do something with the size. And there is one more operator that we will do the calculation for, is slash This is the division sign. Okay, will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all will be there in a single project, and we can give a sum. We will change this name. We will not keep sum. We will write answer over here. So we will go to variable, and let me take another variable with answer. So I will put the answer over here, and whatever task I do, I can easily write its code. First, I will write the code for start button. Then I will write the code for plus sign. Then I will write the code for subtraction sign. I will do the same for multiplication and division also. So what will happen? Whichever operator I will click, only that operator's answer will be coming in the answer slot. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
I understand.
so let's do it. So here A, B, that means first number, second number, even sum I am changing to answer. So everything is okay. Let me give a simple backdrop. Okay, and we can what say we can decorate our screen differently also, that I will see how you guys do in your next homework. This will be your next homework, making the calculator. Okay, and all the things will come together. So now what will we do? We will start first with the additions coding. So let's go to events. When this addition button clicked, addition sign clicked, what will happen? Set answer to the operators. We will take out this green one, and we will enter first number and second number. That means our A and our B inside this. We will do the same thing for all. So we will go to section. We will take out when this sprite click. We will go to variables. We will set answer. Go to operators. Take the subtraction operator. Similarly, put A in the first slot, B in the second slot, just like that. Similarly, for subtraction and all, we can also do that. So in subtraction, in subtraction is there. Now we are doing for multiplication, and we will be doing for division also. Let's change the operator for division. We will choose this slash. Can you see everyone? This slash one. We will use this slash for division, and for multiplication we will be doing the same thing. In the operators, you will find this star. This star is used to divide numbers in computer. Understood? We will go to
Yes, sir.
variables, and we will take A, sorry, and we will take B inside. So our code has been made. Now if I go to the screen, I can easily see how my code is working. So click on start, enter A. I am entering 60. Enter B. I am giving, let's say, 40. So now I am clicking the multiplication sign first. So the answer is coming 2400. Okay. Now I am clicking on the plus sign. Answer is coming 100. I am clicking on the subtraction sign. Answer is coming 20. And now I'll be clicking on the division sign. So answer is coming 1.5. 60 divided by 40 is 1.5. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when I do divide, the answer not come in decimal. It says the answer is 0.
So you check how I have done the coding for the division. When the sprite clicked, answer to A slash B. Okay.
Sir, I
First number
also do
slash second
same.
number. Okay. So now everyone do one thing. Do you have any question or any query? Please ask me. Please ask me. If you want to see the code, I am keeping the code over here of start first. Then I will keep keeping the codes of plus, minus, and multiplication and division also. Do check them once. If you have any query, then you can tell me. First, see the code of start button. Now, let's move on to the plus sign. Similar thing, very easy. This is the code for subtraction. This is the code for multiplication. And this one is division. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me if you have any query.
so in increasing the size by dragging method, we can choose that a numerical option also, na? To
Yes,
increase the size of sprite.
we can easily use a numeric option in order to make its size similar, or we can increase the size, or we can decrease the size also. We can take the help of the numeric portal. Okay.